Hello everybody, it's Jess from Snugglebug Cloth Diaper Service and Boutique here in Rochester, Minnesota. And today's video is all about Snappy Baby Cloth Diaper Fasteners, or Snappis. The first thing you might notice, besides their funny shape, are the little teeth on the back. These are going to be what grips onto your cloth diaper. They are a bit sharp, so when your Snappy is not in use, they have made these little safety guards that can be pulled over the teeth to help prevent injury. Now, a lot of people tend to use that little safety guard to pull on when they're trying to secure the Snappy on the diaper, but they are not intended to be used that way. Pulling on this little section can result in a broken Snappy. So instead, grab the little tab where it says Snappy and then pull. This will help prolong the life of your Snappy. Now remember, any tear in the Snappy can lead to the separation of a piece, presenting a possible choking hazard. Inspect Snappy before each use and discontinue use immediately if there is any sign of cracking, tearing, breakage, or wear of the plastic teeth. Now, before you use your Snappy, you want to stretch it out a few times. This will help in the elasticity of your Snappy. When it is time to fasten the Snappy on the diaper, you will take hold of one of the side clasps and grip it to the side of the diaper. Then get hold of the tab on the other side clasp. Pull gently and then grip it to the other side of the diaper. And finally, grab the tab on the bottom, gently pull down and grip it to the front center of the diaper. Now you are ready to put the cover over your baby's pre-fold. A couple things to make note of. Whenever you use a Snappy cloth diaper fastener, you will want to make sure you use a cover. This will reduce the chance of an accidental injury. Also, when you are using your Snappy on thinner materials such as a flap, you will want to make sure there is enough material where you are fastening the Snappy to the diaper. Otherwise, the teeth may go all the way through and poke your baby. You can prevent this by making sure there are multiple layers where you fasten the Snappy. To remove the Snappy, you will grab a hold of one of the tabs. Gently pull to remove the teeth from the fabric. This will loosen the whole Snappy, and you will then remove the other clasps from the diaper. Thanks for watching! I hope you learned some tips and tricks on how to use a Snappy cloth diaper fastener. If you'd like to see more videos about cloth diapers, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Bye!